You've been lied to. Space isn't silent, and NASA's actual recordings are pure nightmare fuel. Number 5. Saturn's radio waves. This sounds exactly like a 1950s horror movie soundtrack. Number 4. Jupiter's bow shock. This is what happens when solar winds slam into Jupiter's magnetic shield. Number 3. The Vela pulsar. A dead star spinning 11 times per second, blasting radiation into the void. Number 2. The singing comet. Rosetta's comet sounds like an alien entity attempting to communicate. But number 1 is downright demonic. The Perseus black hole. And it literally sounds like the screams of the damned. Which one did you find the scariest? Let me know.